Welcome back, folks, to the DUI channel. We are in Grand Forks, North Dakota, where on January 18, 2020 at 2:24 a.m., a University of North Dakota police officer was on routine patrol when they spotted a vehicle traveling the wrong way near 3500 Gateway Drive. The officer turned their patrol car around and pulled over the driver while still facing the wrong way. The officer approached the truck as their investigation begins.
Hi there. License, registration, proof of insurance, please. Able to roll down your window for me?
Yeah.
Where are we off to tonight?
I'm just trying to go home.
Okay. Any guns, knives on you?
No.
Drugs?
No.
Sounds good.
My license.
Yes, please.
License and the passport.
Okay.
And you want registration?
Yes, please. Perfect.
Is that correct?
This will work. You just have proof of insurance on you?
Yeah, I gotta get my phone.
That's fine.
Okay. I gotta find my phone.
Okay.
Get the spot that I put it in.
Sure.
Okay. Sorry, I had to dig for it.
Okay.
Just I pulled over very many times in my life.
No. So the reason I stopped you here is you're driving the wrong way on the road here. You're in the eastbound lane driving west. And I can smell an odor of alcohol coming from inside the pickup here, okay?
Yeah.
Why don't you step on out for me?
Okay.
Be careful getting out here, it's a little slippery. You gonna be okay to stand here?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll just have you walk back to the back of your pickup here, okay?
Okay.
I'll just have you stand right here for me, okay? Shut off my lights here. Run around that for me.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Central 271, I'll be 10-6 test. There's three other units here. All right, man. So I'll have you turn your head on backwards here, okay?
Hat back.
Yes, please.
Did you reset your radio already?
I did, yep. I didn't know I hit it. Have you had any recent concussions? No.
I hope not.
Okay. Any other head injuries I should be aware?
No.
Okay. Any other medical conditions? Anything with your back, your legs, knees, hips?
No.
Nothing? Okay. Do you wear contacts or glasses?
I should be wearing glasses, probably.
You should be wearing glasses? Okay.
I probably should be, but I don't
Sure.
usually wear them.
Okay. I'll also have you take your hands out of your pocket for me, okay? So I'm going to check your eyes, okay? So for this one, I want you to put your hands down by your side, feet together, and then just stay like this, and then don't move unless I tell you to, okay?
Okay.
Can you see the tip of my finger here?
Yeah.
Okay. Just look at the tip of my finger. What I want you to do is follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Just with your eyes, okay? Eyes only. Just with your eyes. Eyes only. Keep your head still. Can you see my finger over here?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not looking at my finger.
Huh?
You're not looking at my finger.
Well,
Follow with your eyes, okay?
I am following it. It's hard without turning my head.
I bet. Just do your best, okay?
And there's a very bright light on the right.
Actually, the same thing. I'm going to go upwards this time, okay? We're almost done with this one.
Can I wipe my eyes?
Yeah, you sure can, yep. You can wipe your eyes.
Oh, man. That bright light is hurting. Can I wipe my hands?
You wipe your eyes if you got to wipe your eyes.
Can
Go
I
ahead.
have my hands in my pocket?
Put them next to your side for me, okay? And just hands them, yep, feet together. So same thing. We're almost done with this one, okay? Just follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Just keep your head looking forward. Don't tilt your head.
Yeah,
Yep.
I look at you.
Yep, look at me. Look at my finger
Okay,
now, okay?
okay.
Follow my finger. Just keep your head still. All right, man. I'm going to have a seat in the back of my car, okay? We're going through a few more tests here.
Did you add a 20 minutes work all yet?
I did not. Nope. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to turn around for I'm just going to pat you down, okay? Face away from me.
Oh.
There you go.
It's not good, lie.
Just a phone and wallet. All right, man. I'll say have a seat back here. Just be careful getting in, okay?
Yeah, it's going to be painful because it's small.
It is small. Where are you coming from?
Friend's house.
Okay.
Oh.
We got the blood draw and everything.
All right, yeah, man, you could have killed somebody tonight. Driving the wrong way.
One of the dumbest things I've ever done.
How old are you, man? Yep.
33.
33. I didn't even look at your first name here. 33. John? Jonathan? Jonathan, okay. Okay. So we're going to run through a few more tests, okay? So this one is going to be the partial alphabet, okay? So letter E and end on T. But I don't want you to sing it, I just want you to say it out loud, okay?
I gotta go from E to T.
E to T. When you are ready, you can start.
I gotta go from letter
Yep.
E.
It'd be like E, F, G, and so on until you get to the letter T.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. That's where it ends.
Okay, good job. Okay, so the next one is going to be the reverse count. Okay, we're going to start on the number 59, and we're going to go till number 38. So 59, 58, 57, and stop on 38. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, you can start.
So we start at 59.
Exactly what I said, yep.
59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 40, 49, 48, 47, 46, 35, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40,
So this next one here is going to be the finger count, okay? So what I'm going to have you do with the tip of your finger and the tip of your thumb, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Sounds good. So now I'm going to step out, come over to the door, I'm going to read something to you, okay? And then we'll go from there. Sound good? Okay, so close this here.
What it's supposed to be in town, but a lot of it like. Yeah, I see that. I know some.
Hold that for a second.
Yeah, gotcha.
Awesome. I guess I'm going to read something to you, okay? This is for the screening test.
Move my legs.
You can sit there. I'm just going to read something to you, okay? The officer shall inform the individual that North Dakota law requires the individual to take the screening test to determine whether the individual is under the influence of alcohol, and that refusal of the individual to submit to a screening test may result in revocation for at least 180 days and up to 3 years of that individual's driving privileges. Do you understand what I just read to you?
Yeah.
Do you submit to taking the screening test? Okay. I'll just have you hold my light. I'll do this here. Have you ever taken one of these before?
Yeah.
You have?
Sadly, yes, I have.
Okay. What for?
Same reason now.
Okay.
Or
So.
less serious reason. Yeah.
Okay. So clean straw. Okay. All right. I'll have you blow like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? Blow hard. Blow, blow, blow. You're not blowing. Nope. Hold on, stop here. Stop. You're not blowing hard enough, okay? You gotta blow like you're blowing up a balloon. Blow. Okay, you can stop. So you're a .204. The legal limit is a .08. Okay? Yep. So at this time, you're going to be placed under arrest for driving under influence of alcohol, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need 2 cuffs?
What?
I'll just have you spin around for me here. I'm going to place you in handcuffs, okay?
Nice.
Would it be easier if I used 2 sets of cuffs?
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just going to lock these so they don't move on you. Here.
When you do like
Alright, are you able to get this arm over here a little bit further? I know it's kind of tight in the back seat here.
I can't. I can really close. You can't move more.
No, we'll be good. Alright, I'm just going to lock that here while I have a chance, okay? Before I get... I'm just going to lock this here. Okay. Alright, you can take this one. Alright, I have another thing to read to you here, okay? This is for the chemical test. The law enforcement officer shall inform the individual. North Dakota law requires the individual to take...
I'll take a chemical test, whatever.
I'm still going to read the whole thing to you, okay?
Okay.
So the law enforcement officer shall inform the individual. North Dakota law requires the individual to take a chemical test to determine whether under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and refusal of the individual to submit to a test directed by a law enforcement officer may result in the revocation of the individual's driving privileges for a minimum of 180 days and up to 3 years. Do you understand what I read to you?
Yeah.
And you said you will take a chemical test?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's no problem. I'm not worried about chemicals.
So now for your vehicle, would you give one of these officers permission to move your vehicle to the side over here so it doesn't get towed?
Move it wherever you have to move it.
Okay. Sounds good.
It's running in.
I could pull it into the Acme.
Acme, okay. We're just going to pull in the Acme. We're going to hang out till he brings the keys back, and we'll go from there, okay?
And I can either hoof it or what you guys.
The suspect, Jonathan, later submitted to an evidentiary breath alcohol test, which yielded a result of 0.181% breath alcohol content. He was subsequently charged with driving under the influence with 0.16% alcohol content or greater, first offense, or DUI. The defendant pled guilty and was ordered to pay a total of $1,000 between penalties and fees. This amount has been paid in full. Jonathan was sentenced to 30 days in jail with 28 days suspended and 360 days of supervised probation. In lieu of 2 days in jail, the defendant participated in 20 hours of community service. He was further ordered to complete a chemical dependency evaluation and violate no criminal laws.